Hi, I'm back. Part 3. Thanks for being patient with me because I did get a little discombobulated and I had to put some things in order because I was getting a little lost. But I'm going to go back to my It Cosmetics little eye brightening or matte pearl. It's an illuminator, pearl illuminator. I don't know. But I know if you go to Ulta, you'll see this. But anyway, I'm just going to put a little bit, a dab here and a dab there just to highlight under my brow bone. I don't do a lot here, but and then I like to put some on my finger because I put it on the inner corners. So I put it on my finger and then I just kind of, I don't like to do too much, you know. But this kind of brightens the inner corners of your eyes, makes you look wide, more makes you look more awake, more rested, which I do get a lot of rest. Not that my face is going to show it, but anyway, I just find that, and then I'll do a little on the nose. But I find that it does help make your eyes look more wide awake. Now I'm going to go in with my Thrive Lash Extender. This is the best mascara that I've ever used. Because it washes right off. Doesn't leave a residue. It doesn't smear, it doesn't smudge. And it does extend your eyelashes. So I love it, love it, love it. I know I'm crazy. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I do use a safety pin to separate my lashes sometimes. I'm in between eyelash lift. So when I get to the ass end of an eyelash lift, my eyelashes decide to go all over the place. So sometimes I just have to separate them, whatever. I know it's crazy. I don't do this while I'm driving. I do it while I'm here, so it's not like I'm gonna poke my eye. I don't advise that you guys use that. Oh, you know what? I messed up. I meant to use this eyeliner for the bottom. This is a Sephora. It's a shadow and liner. It's just a shimmer that I like putting right there, but you know what? Not doing it today. I guess I forgot. It is what it is. It's okay. Whee! All right. Here we go. Here he comes. Taking care of the dogs. That's right. You do that. Makes me feel better. Again, eyelashes going all over the place. You're not going over there. You get over here. Okay, now you can. Wait a minute. Where'd you go? Excuse me. Stand in line, all of you. Stand in line. All right. That little thing right there is gonna. Anyway, it's my lashes are long, I can tell you that, with the mascara and the Verdant Field and the eyelash lift girl. Thanks to all of them, I have naturally beautiful eyelashes. Alrighty, now This is my stuff. Comes in a velvet Chanel bag. And I kind of walk around and show it off so people know that about the Chanel. Okay. Comes with a little brush that I don't use, but I hear it works pretty good. And I use a big old brush. Swirl, 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 tap, tap. Now the girl at the store was like, put it here, put it here. Oh, do you see how I'm doing it? I'm like, honey, give me that brush. Swirl, 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 tap, tap, tap. Oh my God, it does, it's got a fragrance. Really, that just happened. It doesn't have a lot of cover. It's sheer. It's sheer. But I wanted sheer. Has fragrance. But it smells good. I've got a little bit of, oh my God, you guys, this, it's pretty. It's just pretty. It's just pretty. I don't know what else to say. It's pretty, and it makes me pretty. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love the fact that I can look into a camera and be weird. Now, blush. You know what? Where's my highlighter? Where is my it highlighter? I need my it highlighter. Oh, here it is. Is this it? No, that's blush. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, Camellia. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Camellia. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh my gosh. Here it is. Got it. Got it. This is my It Cosmetics highlighter. I want to put it right here and there before I put on the blush. That's all. That's all I wanted. Let me use a little blush. I mean, a little, oh. Now, this I will tell you about, this brush right here. This is the Fenty brush. Man, it's cool. It's like, it's shaped for your blush, your cheek. I'm going to bring this with me. Now, okay, guys. Florence by Mills. That little girl named something that was in that show. You know what I'm talking about. She created this line called Florence by Mills. I like this. I bought it. I thought I was going to take it back, but it's very, it goes on smooth and matte. It doesn't stay wet. And then I also bought this because I saw it in a magazine. It's called Can Make Cream Cheek. Amazon. Can Make Cream Cheek. I bought it in the rosy red, right? It's kind of, you can't understand what's on the back of it. I can't anyway. But I paid, okay, this was shipped, I think, from China. And China or somewhere. Cost $5.99. Crazy good. Like crazy good. And so I mix them because I like this is a red, this is a earthy rose mixed together. Really pretty. But yeah, that blush for $5.99 goes, it goes on emollient and then matte and stays. So pretty. I like a cream blush. So you put it on your fingers, dab it, dab, 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 and then just go in a circular motion. Use both hands when you put on blush, okay? Don't use one hand at a time because you will never get it right. When you use both your hands, they balance themselves naturally. I also put a little bit on the sides of my nose. But your fingers balance themselves naturally, it will go on even. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of a red. And one thing I can never, oh, here we go. Shit. I opened it. Okay. See that? But it's sheer when it goes on. It's like, it's almost, it's butter. Okay? It's like butter. Okay? I just top it a little bit. And you think that it's going to stay, what do you want to, Vaseline-y? You know what I mean. But it do not. Really? Okay. You guys, it is really pretty. Okay, I may, you know. See if I can turn that off. No, that doesn't look very good. Hello? There you go. But yeah, it's really pretty. So this is kind of not at all to do, but it's a something. It's a something. And if you have blue eyes, I'm going to tell you that that matte color brings out your blue eyes, as you can see, because these are my real eyes. These are not contact lenses. I don't care what anybody says. Okay, so I will be right back. I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to do my lips with you. My hair by myself, my lips with you. Hold on.